Hey, if you've ever dreamed of earning passive income online without spending years building an audience or burning cash on ads, today's video is going to blow your mind. Because I'm going to show you how you can use a brand new AI tool called Reddify AI to generate affiliate commissions while you sleep. Yes, literally while you sleep. Let's be real, most people trying affiliate marketing start with Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram promotions. And what happens? Costs keep rising, clicks get more expensive, and organic reach is basically dead. You end up spending more money than you're making. But here's the secret. There's a massive platform with over 1.7 billion monthly visitors that most marketers are ignoring. And right now, Google is actually prioritizing content from this platform in search results. That means one post can get seen on Reddit and show up on Google at the same time. Double the traffic, zero ad spend. That platform is Reddit. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Reddit has become America's third biggest website, bigger than Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest combined. When people search for things like best CRM for small business or how to get clients as a coach, Google is showing Reddit threads first. So imagine this. You post valuable content in the right subreddit, and suddenly you're getting traffic from both Reddit users and Google searchers. No followers required, no ad budget needed. Just organic traffic from people actively looking for solutions. Now here's where things get exciting. Reddify AI is the world's first fully automated Reddit lead generation system. It doesn't just help you write posts, it automates the entire process. Here's how it works. You feed Reddify AI a handful of viral Reddit posts in your niche. The AI studies their hooks, storytelling style, and engagement patterns. Then it generates brand new posts for your product or affiliate offer, following the same proven formula. And it doesn't stop there. Reddify AI automatically publishes your posts at peak traffic times, sends instant direct messages to anyone who comments, and captures leads in real time. Every single person who engages gets your offer instantly. No missed opportunities. So how does this translate into passive income? Simple. Reddify AI comes preloaded with high-ticket affiliate offers. We're talking $500, $1,000, even $2,000 commissions per sale. The products are proven, the sales scripts are ready, and the follow-up sequences are built in. That means you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to build a complicated funnel. You just plug into Reddify AI, capture leads, and promote offers that are already converting. It's affiliate marketing on autopilot. Think about the possibilities. If you're a coach, you can fill your calendar with discovery calls. If you're launching a SaaS product, you can get your first 100 users in a week. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can start earning commissions from day one. And if you run an agency, you can offer Reddit lead generation as a premium service and charge clients $2,000 to $5,000 per month, all managed from one simple dashboard. Here's the catch. Reddit is in a growth phase right now. Organic reach is still wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. Just like Facebook and Instagram, eventually it will become pay-to-play. The early adopters are winning big right now, but that window is closing fast. That's why Reddify AI is offering lifetime access during launch for a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no recurring charges. You get the tool, the training, and even bonus software to help you monetize your traffic from day one. So if you've been struggling to make affiliate marketing work, this is your chance to flip the script. With Reddify AI, you can finally generate leads, capture attention, and earn passive income without the stress of ads or funnels. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more strategies on building online income streams, and drop a comment below telling me what niche you'd use Reddify AI in. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.